Welcome to this morning Pilates Flow, the perfect way to gently wake up, ease any stiffness, and go into your day with more awareness and energy. When you're ready to begin, let's have a seat on your mat. Knees can be bent or legs straight, what feels comfortable for you. There's a softness in the hips, in the shoulders, and reach your arms forward. Begin by taking big circles with your ankles and wrists. This is a nice chance just to focus on deep breathing. And reverse the direction. Then pausing with the circles. Let the legs come closer and towards one another, hands on your mat. Deep breath in. And exhale, let your spine round forward. Your hands will gently glide forward as well. And inhale, roll back up again. Moving through your spine, breathing out. Inhale to come back up. So a portion of rowing here, really prioritizing the movement of the back, maybe the stretch of the legs towards the end phase. And take 3 more times at your own pace, maybe reaching a little bit further every time. And one last time here. Very nice. Let one thigh bend in towards you, and you can open up towards the long edge of your mat. With your bent thigh, your hands will come behind you, and your leg will lift and down. So the knee will just rotate up towards the ceiling and down. And just notice how much rotation you have, how much movement you have in the hip joint here this morning. Staying nice and still and anchored with your pelvis. Keeping your thigh down, your opposite hand comes towards the knee, reaching your free arm up, and inhale, stretch over. Exhale, right back up. Inhale, reach and lengthen over. Exhale up. Let's stay over this time for an extended breath out. Long breath in. Then bringing yourself up and switch your sides. So go to second side with the thigh in, hands behind you, and the rotation knee up and down. Where can you soften? Maybe in the shoulders or even the jaw. Just find the movement from the thigh here. Your thigh will stay open, your opposite hand to knee, reaching your free arm up, and inhale, stretch over side. Exhale to come right back up. Inhale, side. And up. Another time here, staying over for a long breath out. Deep breath in. Then bringing yourself up. Very nice. And reaching that leg long. Then take it back behind you. Now, if this back behind you doesn't work, you can keep the leg right where it was and start rocking away from the bent knee and then towards it. So now you're intentionally shifting off the pelvis, then being a little bit more square on the pelvis. Now staying more over yourself and rotate towards and then beyond your long leg. Inhale. And exhale, come back to center. Let's do that rotation again. The hands can help your spine stay nice and elongated. Staying rotated for your exhale. Staying here, inhale. Then unwind, coming back to center, and switch out your side. So other leg option in front or leg behind you. Wherever you are, start rocking away and then shifting towards. And notice how the shifting towards feels for your body right now. May have to do smaller or slower. Then staying a little bit more centered over yourself. Inhale, rotation. Exhale, back to center. And inhale, rotate. And center. Staying rotated. Another deep breath in. And then unwind. Let's come onto your hands, onto your knees. The hands will be just about a step forward from your shoulders, so not directly underneath your shoulders. Tucking through your toes, and exhale round through your spine. Press back, extending through your spine, and pivot forward. So mini combo stretch here, rounding back. Rippling through your spine to extend, and then rocking forward. Let's do another time here. Reset natural curves with your spine. Lift your hips up high to the ceiling and feel free to bend one knee and then the other, just letting your head really reach and stretch forward. Both of your heels will reach down. Move through your spine until you wind up in a strong plank position for a breath. The knees can always come down, and your next breath out, bend your elbows, lowering all the way down to the mat. Allow your toes to be long, the hands staying underneath your shoulders. And inhale, lifting your spine up. So begin upper and mid-back lift, and then lowering down. And again, lifting up, spine, and down. Now staying up for another breath and reaching your arms back behind you and lowering down. Let's do that 2 more times. Arms and back to lift and to lower down. Another time lift. Staying here for a breath, rotating your palms to face down. Open your arms across from the shoulders. Then take your hands back underneath the shoulders and you decide staying here or pressing yourself up to a bigger extension for your back. And lowering all the way down. Very nice. Come on to your side now. Legs slightly in front of you. Lift your top leg up and breathing in, reaching the leg behind. Exhale, bring the leg where it was. Reaching the leg back and return. Keeping your leg back. This time exhale, bend the knee in towards your chest and reach your leg long. And bend the knee in, reaching long. One last time. Very nice. Top leg in line with your bottom leg, and this time bend your bottom knee for more support. Reach your top leg forward and right back where it was. Exhale, front. Return. Keep the thigh in front, bend the knee in, keeping the thigh bent, reach it back behind, into your chest and to straighter. Bend, back, in, extend. Just 2 more times, really getting that big range of motion with your thigh. You'll keep your leg straight this time. Let it return low to the mat and bring yourself up and switch sides. So second side, legs in front of you. Lift your top thigh up and inhale, reaching your leg back. Exhale, return. Really trying just to let the leg move right now, keeping your left thigh back. Then bend the knee in, reaching long back. Bend in. Few more times here. Keeping your legs straight, it returns in line with your bottom thigh. And bend your bottom knee for more support. The leg reaches front. Return. Keeping your leg in front, bending your thigh in. And it reaches behind you. Bend in to straight. In, back. About halfway there. Keeping your legs straight this next time. Reaching it long, and have a seat once again on your mat. This time, legs just outside of your mat. Your hands down. Roll through your spine, your hands glide forward. Then drag the hands back as you lift your spine up to the diagonal. So you're angling forward slightly. Reach one arm up, rotate looking under the arm. Coming back to center, place the hand down and switch sides. So inhale, lift arm and rotate your spine. Exhale. One more time, each side. Rounding your spine forward. And this time rolling back. Roll back as far as you can go, keeping the heels down. Reaching your arms up, sitting tall, and round forward. Rolling back, so you can think seated water wheel here. Staying up, 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 and reverse. Roll back, hands towards you, and then glide forward. Rolling up, arms to ceiling, and roll back. Another time here. Very nice. Bring the legs together, bend the knees, and come forward to a standing forward fold. Hands down, inhale. And breathing out, rolling up through your body to standing. Inhale at the top. And exhale, roll right back down. On your fingertips, and slide one leg back long into a long lunge. Your front leg will go straighter and then bend. And your front leg straighter. Just gently move back and forth here. Keeping your front knee bent this time. Swivel towards the long side of your mat. And again, your bent leg goes straighter and then bend. This is your range of motion. So what depth feels nice for your hips or your inner thighs? Then keeping both legs straighter, pivot towards the opposite side of the mat, and back leg steps in, rolling yourself up. Standing, taking a deep breath in, and exhale, rolling down. Fingertips on the mat, sliding your leg back long. And again, in that long leg position, front leg to go straighter and bend. Just two more times. Your front leg will stay bent, pivot towards the long edge of your mat once again. Your bent leg to go straighter
and then deepen into the bend. Just take your time with this. Both of your legs will stay straight, or your head stays down, and heel toe your feet in towards one another. Heel toe them in. So just right underneath your pelvis. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out to release further down, stretch. And your next breath out, roll through your spine. Last chance to really move through your spine in this session. Once you're standing, take another deep breath in and out, and hopefully you're feeling so amazing after that session. And I hope the positive benefits from this class carry throughout the remainder of your day. Have a beautiful day and join me on the mat soon.